There was a day I almost packed my things, walked out of the classroom, and never looked back. I was tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep could fix, but the kind where you start questioning your purpose. I remember staring at my students. Some listening, some lost, some are gone. And I asked myself, am I still making a difference? That day, I wanted to quit. I felt unseen, unheard. Unappreciated. Every lesson felt heavy. Every morning felt longer. And I told myself, maybe someone could do this better. But then, one student came back. She said, "Sir, I didn't pass before, but I'm trying again."
Hello. Naglalakad ako. Punta ako sa isa sa aking mga learners. So, ganito ang gawa namin. May dala akong module, payong. Pabalikan ko na ito sa isang araw. Ayun lang, naglalakad lang. Hindi kasi pwede yung motor, baka mahulog ako. Pero ito naman. Ang nipis. Tapos ang lalim pa, oh. Pag mamaya mahulog ako, kawawa naman ako. Walang tutulong sa akin dito. Anyway, yun lang. Share ko lang. Oops. Isa sa pang challenges sa amin ito bilang ALS teacher na yung ito, maglalakad. Kasi makakasalubong kaming aso. Yun. Takpang. Lalo siguro pag nasa bahay nila yun. Pero since nasa daan naman, ayun. Ganun ang buhay namin, ano. Lakad, punta sa learner, magdala ng module, kukuha ng module, kakamustahin, kamusta ang buhay. Kunting lakad naman ito, ilang minuto lang ako, 3. And since introvert ako, hindi ako makapag-video ng maraming tao. Yan, doon ako pupunta. Yan, mga tao na doon, so ititigil ko na siya dito. Bye, see ya next time.
That moment reminded me, teaching isn't about saving everyone. It's about being there when they decided to save themselves. That's when I realized I don't teach for instant results. I teach for a moment like that, when someone chooses to try again. That's enough reason to stay. Maybe I didn't give up after all. Maybe I just needed to pause, breathe, and remember why I started. If you've ever felt like giving up, maybe this is your sign to rest, not quit.